Right here we are logged into the back end of the website, and to create a new post you need to go to post, view all posts. As you can see, I've made the template. So one template is a template with a form, a registration form, and the second one is with no registration form. These are currently private, so only you can see them. So if you want to create a new post, you have to decide whether you want it with a form or without a form. So in this case, let's say we want it without a form. So we don't edit any of these, just for you to keep it for yourself. You select it here, and you open it, open the file, open the options here, press clone and apply. So what happens is this page will get cloned. So as you can see here, the new page is being cloned, and you're in draft mode. If you select edit, in this case, you will come back to the actual post itself, which we've created, and whilst it loads, we can actually change the name of the post to whatever you want it to be. So let's say in this case we put test 1. So now that we change the name, so in this case, in here we can change all the content. So the way you change the content is these are all made of different, let's say, modules. So as you can see here, you can see here the word introduction. So if you want to change the word introduction, you just hover on it and click on the pencil. But in this case, we want to keep all these titles the same. So all we're changing is the actual content within these modules, the bulk of the writing. So if you want to change it, just hover on this and press pencil. Remember, there's a pencil here and there's a pencil here. We don't play with any of these. I suggest you do not edit any of these ones, and only the ones in green. So when you select it, you will enter the module and you can change whatever content you want here. When you finish, make sure you press save, and we can change this. At the moment it's on draft, so we can review it before we publish it. When you press review, it will automatically open in a new tab, showing you a preview of what it will look like with all the content and the full page. If you're happy, you go back to this and you press publish. Once you press publish, it will be a part of your website. One thing you have to bear in mind is whenever you create a post, you have to always assign a category and tags. So a category is the menu system on the home page. So if you assign it to paid media, it will appear as part of the paid media page. So if you select paid media, anything that's got the paid media selected will appear. And what you can do, let's say a part of paid, let's say in this case we're doing it's going to be core skills, and specifically it's going to be Excel. So on the main menu page, which is here, if you press core skills, all the posts that have core skills selected, it will appear. And if you select Excel on its own, only this post will appear on its own, and anything else that's got Excel assigned to it. Down here you can assign tags. This is more details for the search. So as an example, in this case we want to do, as an example, Excel, I don't know, formulas, or Excel charts. Make sure you keep it lowercase as well. So if you put the word charts. So now if we go back to and if we save it, we have here charts. So if we ever go back to the home page and we search charts, what will happen is anything that's got the tag charts assigned to it, it will appear. But in this case we haven't saved it, so it won't appear. So that's the case, but I'm not going to save this because, again, I don't want to create more work for you guys. But that is how you create a post.